I had pretty much zero hope for a better career. I had dropped out of college twice and I was making $12 an hour. Then I earned a bachelor's degree in just 9 months. Now I have a fantastic career and my life is so much better. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the very fastest college majors, all of which can be earned in less than 1 year if you do it right. And no, I'm not talking about 1 year, 80 hours a week. I'm talking about as a part-time student doing this in your free time. Let's start with business degrees. In my opinion, business degrees are the easiest degrees to accelerate and they can lead to pretty good jobs. Business management, in my opinion, is the easiest major to accelerate that's actually worth your while. Second on the list, marketing or advertising. Human resources management is also on the list. Accounting, yes, accounting degrees. I have seen people earn accounting degrees in as little as 3 months for an entire bachelor's degree from zero. Supply chain management. If you want to work overseas and work country to country, this is a good major for that. Can be done really quickly. Finance degrees. This sounds crazy, but yes, someone with a finance major is going to make on average of $124,000 per year. And this is a major that can be earned in months instead of years. Now, something like a finance major is not going to be as easy as a business management major, but it still can be done in months instead of years. Let's jump into education degrees. Let's say you want to be a teacher or a professor. There are a lot of majors that can work. Elementary education and special education are like your core majors for working with younger children. Those can both be accelerated. If you want to teach students maybe junior high or high school or beyond, you can dive into the core subjects. Science majors, you can even go deeper and focus on biology or earth science or physics or chemistry. You can get math majors accelerated, English majors. And if you want to get a master's degree as well, there are leadership-based master's degrees in the education world. Let's say you want to be a principal or someone in charge of curriculum, things like that. Those can be accelerated as well. Educational studies is another one that's on the list that can be done really quickly. However, I don't recommend it because it's one of those random degrees where, hey, I studied everything under the sun, but didn't focus on anything. And those usually don't lead to high paying jobs. They're usually pretty low salaries once you're finished. Now, if you're looking for a really steady job, healthcare, the healthcare world, it's an industry that just keeps on growing and growing, and you can get into the industry with a bachelor's degree in less than a year with the following majors. Healthcare administration. We're talking leadership roles or administrative roles working in hospitals or healthcare clinics. These degrees are in high demand. Nursing is actually a degree that can be accelerated. However, maybe a little bit differently than you would expect. The RN is the hardest thing to accelerate because of all your clinical work, but you can accelerate the BSN, the Bachelor of Science in Nursing, and the MSN, Master of Science in Nursing. If you don't want to do an RN because of all the clinical work, you can actually skip it by earning a non-nursing major and then attending like a bridge program, an ABSN program, which takes you from any major to being a Bachelor of Science in Nursing major in like a year. So that's a cool way to accelerate nursing. Psychology majors are in high demand. I do recommend if you earn a psychology major, you want to get a master's degree as well, because only a bachelor's degree in psychology is not going to lead to super high paying jobs. But if you tack on that master's degree afterwards, you're usually going to be in better shape. Something like health information management, where you're basically just working with the computer stuff. If you're like a computer whiz and want to work in the healthcare world, this could be good for you. Public health, health studies, early childhood studies, these are all majors that can be accelerated. Now, if you're looking for high paying jobs, technology is a good industry. The following majors can be accelerated in less than 1 year in the technology field. Computer science, this is one of my very favorite majors to accelerate because it's like being a technology engineer. It's like being the person that invents things and creates things and develops things, but you're all digital. It's a really cool major. Having said that, there's a lot of math, science, so it can be a little bit more challenging, still can be done in less than a year. Information technology management, this is more the business side of technology. You're managing the tech of a company, and this can be a little bit easier and put you in management roles leading tech departments. Software development, network engineering, software engineering, cloud computing. If you're interested in building and creating things, these can all be good majors as well. Now let's talk about other majors that don't fall into any of these categories. History and political science, criminal justice, if you want to work with law but not be a lawyer. And then there are some majors that I want to kind of give you a warning about. Project management can be accelerated, but my my warning to you is if you want a project management major, I would highly recommend working in the tech space. If you're a project manager with technology, you're going to make way more money than someone that's just a project manager. With just a project management major, you're talking $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 a year. You can do that without a bachelor's degree, but in the tech space, project management is important and can lead to high-paying jobs. The next one I want to warn you about is liberal arts or arts-based majors, basically majors where you're kind of studying whatever you want and it all counts towards the major. These majors just don't lead to high-paying jobs. We're talking $50,000 to $60,000 a year on average for someone with a liberal arts major. You don't need to go to college to get jobs at that level, so you're kind of wasting your time going to school. So you want to get majors that are going to lead to high-paying jobs. Now, if I have not discussed your major, that does not mean you can't accelerate, but you might need to take a little bit different strategy. Let's say you're talking about engineering or being a lawyer or being a doctor. Choose a bachelor's degree that you can accelerate and then transfer into a master's program or a bridge program that's going to get you into the field you want to be in. If you have questions about that, just shoot me an email. I'll leave my email address down below this video so you can reach me, and I'm happy to answer questions. Now, actually earning one of these majors in less than a year is a whole different story. You have to follow a specific process, test out of your classes and things like that. So what I'm going to do is I'll leave a link to another video down below in the video description where I'm going to walk you through the 3-step process to actually earn one of these majors in less than 12 months. I did it in 9 months. I've helped people go as fast as 3 months. If you do it right, you really can change your life quickly and save a whole bunch of money in the meantime. Watch that video below, and I will talk to you in the next video.